Let your dog go outside for potty breaks and playtime on their own schedule. The snap-on closing panel allows you to control your pet's access and keep stray animals out of your home.
This is a 2-in-1 dog harness and retractable dog leash. Not only incorporates all the functions of a walk-in dog harness, but also adds a retractable dog leash on top of it, which is the same principle as a car seat belt. What's more, there is also a nighttime reflective strip added to increase the visibility of your dog playing at night and improve their safety. It is a perfect gift for your dog.
When the dog days of summer hit, chances are your pup will be on the hunt for an elusive cool spot. Then a dog cooling mat will do them a favor.
Let the mummy dog take her baby, or let yourself take your pet to see the outside world with this comfortable pet carrier backpack. Easy fit for traveling or just for a walk.
This foldable swimming pool is designed for dogs of all sizes. It's easy to set up and store. The pool is perfect for both pets and kids swimming, paddling, and playing in the backyard.
Want to check doggies' immersive experience of sleeping in their soft dog beds? Let's go! This waterless shampoo paw cleaner is easy to clean your dog's paws anytime, especially after walks. After each use, you just need to rinse the silicone scrubber off and let it dry.
These innovative screen doors provide a seamless barrier against bugs, dust, and other airborne particles, while still allowing for easy access in and out of your home.
Take your dog for a walk and show off their new luminous flapping butterfly wings. These wings are perfect for dogs dress up, and they're perfect for Halloween, Christmas, or any fun occasion. Your dog is sure to turn heads with these magical wings.
After full charging, you just need to run to the vacuum, pull it off the wall, and take care of your household business. Laser reveals microscopic dust. A precisely angled laser makes invisible dust visible on hard floors, so you don't miss anything. Yes, this is the most powerful intelligent cordless Dyson vacuum cleaner with laser illumination. Satisfying? This doggy is enjoying an immersive experience of grooming from paw to head.
Kit is an innovative dog clipper for brushing, trimming, and cleaning. It is simple to use, effective, and affordable, providing 5 proven grooming tools, and collects 99% of pet hair with the vacuum built-in. Nozzle head and cleaning brush can be used for collecting pet hair. There will be no more shaving and cutting, no more tangled hair, and no smelly piles of fur spread all over the place.
This doggy is enjoying an immersive experience of paw grooming from the pet owner.